Hi friends, welcome to Eco Engineer YouTube channel. Today we discuss about mathematically model of experiments. Mathematical model of experiments can be derived from the axioms of probability introduction. In section 1.3, we have discussed axioms 1 and axioms 2 and axiom 3. Where axiom 1 is nothing but P of A is equal to value something that is 1. P of S, probability of such event X is only 1. Probability of the 5 value is 0. A P of summation of n is equal to 1 to n, sum is equal to I to 1 something, P of A n is equal to value 1. This is an axiom 1 and axiom 2 and axiom 3. Now I discussed the axioms in previous video. The video link is given below. Now given real experiment with a set of possible outcomes, the mathematical model can be derived using the following steps. Now we discuss this following steps. Define a simple sample space to represent the physical outcomes. Define a sample space to represent the physical outcomes. Define event to mathematically represent the characteristics of favorable outcomes. Define event to mathematically represent the characteristics of favorable outcomes. Whenever you define a sample space, you get the physical outcomes. Whenever you define the events in mathematical representation, the characteristics of favorable outcomes. Assign the probabilities to define events such that the axioms are satisfied. But it is very difficult to determine an exact model with represent real life indication perfectly. What are the examples of these experiments, model experiments? Some of important common practical or conceptual experiments considered for illustrating the basic operations of probabilities are: a fair coin flipped several times even shows heads or tails. The first experiment is: a fair coin flipped several times even shows heads or tails. A fair die thrown several times, the die has 6 faces, each face has dots. The events are showing up for faces with the number of dots 1, the set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a fair of die throwing in several times. This is a probability of the experiment is outcome. Now cards are drawn or distributed from the back of 52 cards. The details of the 52 cards is given below. There are 4 varieties of cards: diamonds, spades, clubs and hearts. Each variety has 13 cards. There are 13 cards are numbered 2 to 10. They includes jack, queen, king and ace. Diamonds or hearts are red in color. Here diamonds are hearts are red in color. Spades and clubs are in black in color. These are the properties of when a draw deck of 52 cards. A box or run contain different types of colors of objects like balls or cards. The event is drawing of balls or cards. The target is hit. A fourth property is: a box or urn contain different types of colors of objects like balls or cards. The event is drawing of balls or cards. Okay. What's fifth property? The target is hit by a missing or a bullet. The target has different circles. The center point is called a bull or bull's eye. The event is sticking of the target at different points. Here more models can be constituted from a combination of the above experiment, same or different, with a combined sample space. These are the some of examples of model of experiments. This is some of experiments you have to done the model of experiment. Thank you friends, thank you very much.